supervisor. A reservations supervisor oversees reservations operations by training, scheduling, and managing staff, ensuring bookings are accurate and efficient, managing reservation systems, resolving guest issues and special requests, and maximizing room revenue by controlling inventory and availability. So, as a reservation supervisor, ako ang nag-supervise sa mga reservations agents. I make sure nga ang tanan bookings kay accurate o walay errors. Ako pod ang mo-assist kung ang naay reservations issues or guest concerns nga dili ma-handle sa agents. Example, kung ang guest na double charge or wrong date ang nabook, I step in para ma-resolve. So next is reservation agents. The reservation clerk communicates with prospective guests via telephone or internet, scheduling their stay and documenting any special needs they may have. For example, if a guest requests a room on a non-smoking floor, the reservation clerk will make special note of this so that an appropriate room will be ready when the guest arrives. So on other hand, and ang reservation agents kay sila ang direct nga mo-handle sa mga booking request. Sila ang mo-confirm sa reservations, mo-assist sa guest kung unsay ilang concerns, like inquiries about room availability or changes sa booking. Example, kung ang guest mo call ang nga gusto mo change og room type, ang agent ang mo-process ana. So basically, as a team, ang supervisor of agents nag-work together para ma-ensure ang smooth and hassle-free ang booking experience.
So, ang night auditor kay hotel night manager nga nag-oversee sa operations during overnight shift. Siya ang mo-handle sa mga issues like late check-in, noisy guests,